How to clean a keyboard. Keyboard can become dirty after a period of extended use, especially if users commonly eat or smoke near the computer. If a keyboard become dirty enough, its performance can be affected. Common problems included dead or sticky keys and repeated characters during typing. Note that disassembling your keyboard as described below may void the warranty. Number 1. Shut down the computer and detect the keyboard connected before any cleaning procedure. Do not remove or connect a keyboard while the computer is running. Doing so may damage the machine if you have a non-USB based keyboard. Detaching the keyboard while the computer is running is safe when the keyboard is connected to the computer via USB. Number 2. For a quick cleaning, turn the keyboard upside down and use a can of compressed air to blow out any foreign material. Be sure to do this in location where falling debris can be cleaning up easily. Turn the keyboard upside down and tap on it a few times. You should see a bit of dirt fall out. Change the angle and tap harder to make most of it get out. Number 3. Clean the side of the key with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Number 4. For a more thorough cleaning, remove all of the keys. Do this by gently prying up each key with a similar screwdriver or similar lever. When the key has been removed, blow out any debris with compressed air. With the moist but not wet cloth, lightly swab all surfaces. Do not allow any type of fluid to enter the keyboard. Number 5. Clean the individual key and place them back in the keyboard. Thanks for watching.